are you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to do today's video because it's been highly requested for quite some time now. You guys know I love doing my nails. I did a video on how I do my dip nails, but I actually stopped using my dip powders for quite some time now, and I went back to gel. And you guys know I've done gel nails for years, so this video is way overdue, but I'm really excited for today because I had a nail company reach out to me called Nail Addict, and they are a gel nail polish company based out of LA, and they asked me if I wanted to try some colors, and I was like, you know what, I haven't branched out into a new brand in quite some time. I will show you the brand that I've been using in the actual demo, so you'll see all that and my equipment and everything. But I haven't changed up my nail polish brand because I haven't found one that I really liked, and I am really excited to share this with you guys because they sent me quite a few colors. I'm going to be swatching all of these with you on camera in the demo. And what's really great about them as well is that they are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are 9 free. So I'm going to leave that all here on the screen. All the info will be down below as well, but I'm excited to be able to share a really clean nail polish brand with you guys because it's very hard to find. Now, before we get into the full demo, I'm so happy to let you know that Nail Addict is actually giving me a coupon code for you guys. I always try to get a coupon code with any brand that I'm working with because I would love to offer you guys a discount. So they're offering 55% off your order. Now, they typically offer some sort of promotion or sale, but 55% off is probably one of the highest discounts that they do carry. And yeah, you can use my name. It's just Jerlyn in the checkout, and you'll get 55% off your order. I think you have to buy 2 polishes or more, but you guys, it is so amazing. Now, before we get into the demo, I do want to talk about the polishes themselves a little bit. I did tell you guys that they were vegan and cruelty free and all of that, but I think the biggest draw for me is that they are huge. The size of these are insane. Now, I've owned quite a few gel polishes, and these are very large. So I believe on the website they're originally, I believe, $19.95, so $20, but with the 55% off discount, it brings them under $10. And I typically pay $10 or more for a bottle that's half this size. So the quantity that you get is amazing. And if you guys do end up checking out the website, you will see that there are tons of colors, you guys. I only have 6 here, but after using these, I want to pick up so many more. So I think I'm about to place an order maybe today. But yeah, you guys, these are huge. The value is amazing, and I can't say enough good things about it. You guys will see in my wear test how my nails looked after 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that clip at the end. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am so happy with Nail Addict. I actually had a few of my friends already purchase from the website already, and I almost want every color. I do want every color, let's be honest. So yeah, I will be showing you guys all 6 shades, and I'll be using the top coat if you are curious. And I think that's pretty much it. If I'm missing any information, I will leave it here on the screen or down in the description box below. But other than that, let's get on to the actual demo and then the wear test. All right, you guys, let's get started. I'm going to show you everything that I have here that I use to do my gel manicure at home. So I have no polish on. I already filed my nails, so definitely a nail filer. So I'm using this one. I believe these are from Revlon. And again, I already filed my nails, as you guys can see here. Nail file, done. Buffer. So this one is from Ulta, I believe. I think it was the Ulta brand. It's really old, but it still works well just to give a quick buff and smoothness to the nail. So I buffed my nails already as well, and I've washed my hands already too. Now, other tools that we have here are my LED light. This is by Red Carpet. And I've been using Red Carpet for quite some time now. I love this light. It's tiny, it's little. You just push the button and then the LED turns on. Push it again, it turns off. So super simple. I got mine at Ulta. And then I also have some cotton balls here that we're going to be using in a little bit. And we have this right here as well. This is the Red Carpet Purify Pre and post-application cleanser. I really do love this guy. This I did pick up at Ulta, and yeah, I use it all the time, and I'm going to show you how I use it in just a second. We also have a base coat here by Red Carpet, and then we also have the top coat that we're using today from Nail Addict, so thank you to them for sending that to me. And then this right here I think is really important. I don't think a lot of people use this part, but this right here is the Red Carpet Prep, and this is a nail adhesion primer. I really love using the prep step when it comes to gel polishes. It really just helps your gel nails to stay on longer. So that's everything that we're using, and let's get started. I'm going to take a cotton ball here, and I'm going to take some of the Purify from Red Carpet, and I'm just going to put this on a cotton ball, soak it really well, and I'm honestly just going to go over each nail like this. Super simple. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go in with the Red Carpet Prep. Again, this is the nail primer, and this is a very thin formula, you guys, so you don't need a thick layer. You can actually go over your nails really fast with it. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is do our base coat. Again, I'm going to use the Red Carpet Structure, and this is a really great base coat. I've used it for a while. The only thing is I do run through this pretty fast because it's such a small bottle. So if I enjoy all of these colors and the Nail Addict top coat, I'm definitely going to pick up the Nail Addict base, because look how much bigger it is. It is literally probably like 3 times bigger. Alright, you guys, my base coat is done. I just skipped over or sped up that part of the video, and now we're just going to jump into the colors. I'm going to try every single color on my nails today, so I'm going to be rocking that mismatched nail polish trend that's been going on, and the first color I'm going to start with, I think, is this darkest one here, and this top swatch is the actual color of the polish. So I don't know if you guys can tell here, I just want to be completely transparent about this review and demo, but this looks a little bit more of like a deep green, where this top part is actually a dark navy. This first color here that we're using is this dark blue, and we're going to put this on the pinky nail. Alright, so there we have one coat of the Aqualicious, which is a deep dark blue. And now we're going to move on to this color right here, which is Pearl River. And this one I'm really excited about because it's like this beautiful medium blue color. Oh, it just looks gorgeous. I'm really excited about this. Oh, that is so pretty. These are actually gliding on really well. I definitely love how opaque these are. I've used several different gel polish brands, and sometimes they come out really sheer, you guys. These are nice and opaque. Okay, next color that we are going in with here is called Aqua Blue, and it is a beautiful baby blue color. I am so, oh, I love it. I'm so excited. It's like a really fresh blue shade. Oh my goodness, you guys. This one is gorgeous. Look how easily that applied. And moving on, we have Breaking News, which is this beautiful light purple. Okay, this one's a little bit more sheer. Oh, this one's very sheer. Oh, I was hoping this one would be really opaque like the blue. But, okay, hold on. Let me just try it, dip it in one more time. I mean, this one's definitely going to need 2 coats, that's for sure. I hope you guys can see there, the purple does need 2 coats for sure. The first 3 were pretty decent with 1 coat, very opaque, but this purple, you definitely need 2 coats. All right, so now I'm gonna cure these 4 nails really quick, and we'll be right back. On the thumb, we're actually going to use this shade right here. This here is called Pink Princess, and it's a really beautiful light pink color. Ooh, that is very opaque. All right, let me just take a little bit off. I'm actually not mad at this color. Very decently opaque, slightly streaky because it's a lighter shade, but you know what? I think it looks really good. So now I'm going to cure this color under the light. So yeah, this is one coat of each of the shades that I just showed you, and I think they look really good for one coat. I'm going to obviously do a second coat. Now before we do the second coat, I did want to try the last color with you guys and do one coat. I'm going to do it on this thumb right here, and it's actually going to be this silver nail polish right here. This here is called Silver Addict. Oh my gosh. What? Shut the front door. Get the hell out of here. Okay, oh my goodness. Here is the first coat of the silver. I'm honestly super impressed. You guys can still see that, you can see my nail bed through it, so it's slightly sheer, but it's definitely a lot better than the silvers I've tried before. And with 2 coats, it's gonna be perfect. So now that this is one coat of all of these shades here, I'm going to go back in and do the second coat, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, here is the finished product. Y'all, can we just take a moment? Look at that shine. Oh, I just did the Nail Addict top coat. I actually really like it so far. It's super shiny, very smooth. It wasn't goopy or thick or anything. And yeah, I actually really enjoy my nails right now. Now the last step I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to go back, oops, let's move that. I'm going to go back over my nails with the Red Carpet Purify. Again, this is just going to kind of seal everything in and just get all the dirt off. And yeah, I'm just going to take this on a cotton ball. And again, they're freshly done. So they're just going to take all of the residue off, keep them nice and shiny, and that's pretty much it. You guys, these look amazing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. But so far, they look really good. Hopefully they hold up well. I will leave a little you know, insert here as to how they wear. I want to check back in with you guys with how these nails wear. It has been 2 weeks, you guys. Look, no chipping, a lot of growth, obviously, and it's going to be 2 weeks tomorrow, and they're starting to lift at the edges here, but that's typically when you would go get a new gel manicure done anyway. And I personally usually change out my nail polish every week and a half, so I wore these even longer just to show you guys how they wear. Honestly, I'm so impressed. It's like crazy. The colors are amazing. They go on so smooth, and there's no chipping. There's just growth. But again, they're starting to lift at the edges, which is normal. So I'm going to take off this polish and paint a new set. I'm so excited, and I'm definitely going to buy a whole bunch more. I can't wait to do another haul for you guys when I buy more colors. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me daily, and subscribe to this channel if you have yet to subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, your love, your support, all of it. And again, if you're interested in any of the things that you saw today, especially the Nail Addict items, definitely go to their website and use my code for 55% off. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!